Welcome to that video about Oracle Transportation Management Cloud. In this video, I will touch about operational planning and execution. OTM is a collaboration platform. User has a role. We can define user preferences. In the home page, you can find the help button, the notification, the workflow, and the favorite. In OTM, you can create or integrate multiple types of order, sales order, purchase order, transfer order, and so on. All orders are listed in the workbench, as you can see here, and you can map those orders. You can also access the detail of the order. By clicking on the order number, you can access more detail, like here with the ship unit or the line items. All screens configurations can be adjusted. I select the template and I can remove some fields. I can change the label. I can rename the tab. Or I can remove a tab. Or I can add a tab. Workbench's configuration can be also adjusted. You can split the workbench. You can add some widget in the workbench, like here a table. You can add another table that will have a link with the master table. You can add more widgets like Gantt chart, map, 3D load configuration, and so on. And that's it. User has another workbench to work. Let's go back to the order workbench to work on the operational planning. The company transportation network has been configured, and by selecting the order, we can access the routing options. We can simulate the transportation cost that is based on the carrier tariff grid. The system will trigger the best option here. There's a possibility to simulate different transportation costs from different carriers. OTM will calculate the best transportation plan for all the orders by running the bulk plan. The bulk plan is a set of optimization and planning algorithm. You can run it for a simulation by ticking the what if. After the bulk plan is completed, KPIs will be shown. You can run multiple bulk plans to compare the result. When you run the bulk plan for real, the shipments are created, and then you can see those shipments on a map. On the order workbench, the green color indicates that the bulk plan ran properly on the order. And by selecting an order, now you have access to the related shipment. I can display the shipment on a map. This shipment is a multi-stop shipment calculated by operational planning containing the selected order. If I select this order, I can see multiple related shipments. The system offers the possibility to see the characteristic and the sequence of those shipments. In green, the full truckload. In red, the vessel. I can also display those shipments on a map. OTM operational planning is very powerful. You can mix multiple transport schema to optimize your routing through your network. You can do milk run, cross-docking, pooling, order consolidation, continuous move, and multi-mode international. And of course, you can mix all together. Let us move forward to the execution stage. Operational planning calculates those shipments. There's also the possibility to integrate those shipments. When I select a shipment, I can see the related order and the related stops. And the shipment can be displayed on the map as well. The related stop detail tab shows the plan, estimated, actual, date of arrival and departure. It shows also additional information like the waiting time, the rest time, the distance between stops, activity time, and many more information. Of course, when operational planning calculates a shipment, it takes in consideration the traffic condition history. So now let's move forward to the communication with the service provider. OTM offers 4 tender processes: manual process, automatic process, spot bid or broadcast, and freight exchange. In this example, I tender the shipment manually. The service provider can feedback via EDI, web portal, or mobile application. Here I'm connected using the web portal as Edistobart. I'm opening the tender request, that's the same shipment number, and I review the detail. The service provider will decline the tender. He has the possibility to complete a reason. The planner will be notified and automatically the system will tender to the next service provider. I can check also who are the service provider that has been invited and who declined and who is currently under the tender. OTM offers spot tender capabilities as well. When I start a spot tender, I can define the service provider that will be invited, and I can add additional service provider. I need to schedule the expected response time, and I submit it. Back again as Edistobart using the web portal, I can see the spot bid tender, and I place a bid. The planner will have the possibility to review all bids and to select the service provider to be awarded. Let's move forward to the track and trace. OTM can receive events from EDI, API REST, or the service provider using the portal or the mobile application, as in this example. Here the driver mentioned that he started the shipment. Within the event, the driver can assign a picture and a signature. All picture, signature, and document are captured in the Document tab of the shipment. In case of problem, the driver can take a picture and report the delay. The planner will be notified and the workbench will display the alert. Finally, the driver will report the final delivery and the workbench will be updated. At the end of the month, this shipment will be included in the pre-invoice. When OTM receives the service provider invoice, automatically the match with the shipment will be performed. A specific workbench is available for the settlement, where you can see all the invoice received and the related shipments. If the amount of the invoice does not match with the shipment amount, the system will classify the invoice as out of tolerance. If the amount match, the invoice can be automatically approved and sent to the finance. Finally, OTM include a BI for transportation with many KPIs. It offers also the possibility to deep dive in a specific metric. This is it. Thanks for watching.